it's Reagan with the Doherty Real Estate Group. Today I am here with the amazing founder of A Cozy Cookie, Nancy and Ib. Thank you guys so much for being here.
Thank you for having us.
Of course. So tell us a little bit, what is your business? What do you guys sell here at the market?
We sell a cozy cookie. We're about having cozy cookies that bring comfort, not too sweet. We like to use all like premium ingredients.
Amazing.
We want to like feel like grandma made it at home.
I love that. I love that. And why'd you start this?
So he loved cookies or loves cookies. And he just like one time we went somewhere, he grabbed a cookie. And then just messing around with him, I was like, well, I'll make you a better one.
Yes.
And then I just started playing with it, and then it just became one after the other, huh? And we started...
They're my favorite cookies now.
Yeah.
Amazing. They should be. There you go. So you have a bunch of different flavors here. They look beautiful, by the way.
Thank you.
What is the first one you ever made for him that you said this will make it even better than the one you tried?
The maple blanket?
The maple blanket.
And
Yeah.
what is that one?
That one is 100% real maple syrup and white chocolate chips.
Wow.
I can show it. I think it'll show there.
Yeah,
it's this
yeah.
one right here.
Very nice.
That one is because I like maple, anything, and white chocolate, like a white chocolate macadamia. So she kind of like put them two together. So it tastes like a pancake almost, 100% real maple syrup.
Amazing, amazing. So you have a real private baker with you at all times.
I know, it's perfect. That's fantastic.
Incredible. So what is your guys' best seller? What do people come back and back for?
The chocolate pillow,
chocolate pillow.
for sure is the best seller. We have to take like 3 much, right? As much as the other flavors.
Nice.
Yeah, that's our chocolate, a version of our chocolate chip.
Uh-huh.
But we use the Ghirardelli wafers, so it's like a softer bite.
Amazing.
Yeah.
And what is your favorite to bake?
My favorite, I don't know. I love baking all of them, and I'm always switching, and I'm always like creating new flavors. Yeah.
It's like, I don't know. It's like for us too. It's like the flavor of the week or something.
Yeah, that's so cool. And so tell me, it's mostly started because you wanted to make a better cookie than the one he tried, and how has it continued on since then?
He'll just tell me like, what if we make like this kind of flavor, and then I'll just kind of start experimenting, and then, or I'll start craving, especially right now, like I'm craving like, what was it? Like it's the strawberry, or I wanted like the pistachio churro. That one's actually my favorite cookie. I was like, we should make something that like kind of combines both of us, like a Middle Eastern and a Hispanic background. So then that's when I came with the, it has all like pistachios in there with honey and orange blossom in there.
Amazing, amazing. Well, I have one here that you guys wanted me to try.
Yeah.
This is s'more, or what is this? Bonfire night.
Bonfire night.
Very nice. S'mores is my favorite type of cookie. And if I had to pick a dessert, it would be a cookie as my favorite. So how long have you guys been making this one?
We've been making it maybe 2 years.
2
But we
years?
have it seasonal, so it's only like during the summer.
Only summer one?
Yeah.
Very cool. And where would you say this lies on your popularity list?
What do you think?
It's pretty popular.
Yeah?
People like us. People love s'mores. So, and I feel like ours tastes pretty close to it. But we want to know your opinion.
Okay, perfect. I'm gonna get a bite that has a little more marshmallow in it so we get the real taste.
There it is.
There we go.
It does. It's supposed to represent a s'more, so like the marshmallow center kind of gives you that like s'mores feel when you're biting into
Yes,
it.
I love it. All right, here we go. I haven't done a live taste test in a while.
Here we go. Come on.
Super soft. This is super good.
Thank you.
Is this also the Ghirardelli in here as well, or is this something different?
No, that's the Hershey's chocolate.
Oh,
So, okay, yeah.
it's so good. Wow. This is really good. Very soft.
Thank you.
And I'm a big s'mores cookie connoisseur.
Yay.
Amazing. Well, thank you guys so much. So what do you want people watching this to know so they come on down here and sell out all your cookies?
Our cookies are baked fresh, daily, baked and packaged fresh before the markets.
Amazing.
They're made to order, so even online. They're available at grocery stores like Gerard's and Redlands, online and in different markets. But the most important thing about our company is that we want to bring comfort in our cookies. So we're a cozy cookie where cookies make comfort.
I love it.
Right? Did I miss anything?
And we'll be here every Saturday.
She makes the best
Except
cookies.
She does make the best cookies. Amazing. Well, thank you guys for being here. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.
Bye.